This summer I had the opportunity to intern with Eli Lilly. I worked with the patient engagement and the behavioral sciences team. So that's understanding motivators and barriers for clinical trial enrollment. And we look specifically at Alzheimer's disease. And I feel like I can take that back with me to school and back to practice and understand why patients are taking their medications or why they prefer certain medications, and understanding that motivators and barriers in patient care. I feel like that was super beneficial with my internship. Hello, my name is Kieran O'Reilly. I'm a third-year PharmD student at the School of Pharmacy, and I'm the president of Student Senate. I joined Student Senate. It's a great way to serve the school and the entire student body. I want to promote wellness and community within all students, not necessarily within our different career interests, but just being a member of our community. I chose pharmacy because my mom inspired me to do a deeper dive into science. And I really enjoy pharmacy because within pharmacy school they teach you the why. So that's why medications work, why they don't work, and then why patients respond or take their medications. So I feel like with learning the why and understanding the why, you're able to have some innovative problem-solving abilities. And I feel like I really enjoy learning that innovative problem-solving within the school curriculum. My favorite personal memory so far at UNC has been the Duke-UNC game. My friends from undergrad at the University of Georgia came up to Chapel Hill to visit me during that weekend. And UNC won, and we got to rush Franklin with my UGA and my UNC friends. So it was really cool having that collision of both worlds. And I remember taking a step back and I was like, this is super cool. So outside of school, we have a team, intramural basketball team, with the student body. So I love playing basketball and flag football. A new skill I learned this summer was learn how to surf. So I love to surf and I love to bike. I love to do anything outdoors where I have physical activity involved. I just love being outdoors. My plans after I graduate is I really enjoy working in clinical development. So that's having a molecule from the lab become an actual product as a medicine. I'm specifically interested in radiopharmaceuticals and their innovation in being theranostic, so being a therapeutic medicine and a diagnostic medication. So I love to work in clinical development of radiopharmaceuticals. I'm still trying to figure out exactly where I could use my skills and expertise in that area.